just got my hands on the AstroAI portable compressor inflator, and it's a total game changer. This compact, lightweight gadget fits right in my backpack, making it perfect for road trips or emergencies. Inflating tires is a breeze with its digital display and preset pressure settings. No more guesswork. Just plug it into the car's 12V outlet, set your desired pressure, and let it do its thing. It even comes with multiple nozzles for bike tires or sports balls. Plus, it's super quiet, so I can inflate my bike tire at midnight without waking the neighbors. If you need a reliable, portable inflator that won't break the bank, the AstroAI is a must-have.